I don't know what's wrong with my dog, like, for real. Like, every time when my dog's trying to go to sleep, it's just like, she makes that weird sound when she's trying to go to sleep. I'm like, I don't know why. She's telling me she's tired by making that sound, though. You tired? Okay, she tired. Yeah. Is she super tired? Is Or do you wanna go? All right. Good girl. Good girl.